What's wrong?
I'm telling you, there's something out there. A monster on the floor.
No, Donkey, there's never been any monsters or anything scary in my room ever.
Huh.
Spiffy.
Major cut, major cut, major